Let me be clear right from the start. This is not a get-rich-quick story. There were no viral moments, no lottery wins, no secret hacks. What you're about to hear is how I slowly, intentionally built 4 passive income streams that now pay me roughly $3,000 per month combined, consistently. Some months are better, some months are slower. But the key word here is predictable. And the most important part, I built every single one of these without quitting my main job. So if you've ever wondered whether passive income is real, or if it's just something people sell online, let me walk you through exactly how I did it, step by step. Digital products, the quiet workhorse. The first income stream I built was also the least exciting, but the most stable. Digital products, not courses, not flashy masterminds, simple digital assets that solve very specific problems. I started by asking one question: what do people already ask me for help with? For me, it was templates, checklists, and short guides, things people could use immediately without hand-holding. I spent about 3 weeks creating my first product. No fancy design, no big launch. I priced it under $30. The first month, I made $84. That number might sound disappointing, but it changed everything. Because it proves something important. People will pay for value, even when you're not watching. Over time, I added more products, bundled them, improved the landing pages, collected feedback. Today, that single stream averages $900 to $1,100 per month, almost entirely automated. No customer calls, no daily involvement, just traffic, sales, and delivery. Affiliate income, but done the boring way. Affiliate marketing has a terrible reputation, and honestly, most of it deserves it. I didn't do funnels, I didn't do paid ads, I didn't spam links. Instead, I focused on one niche and 3 tools I genuinely used myself. I wrote about them, talked about them naturally, recommended them only when relevant. No hype, no promises. The key mistake people make with affiliates is trying to promote everything. I did the opposite. I went deep instead of wide. Slowly, traffic built up. Search engines started ranking the content. People trusted the recommendations. It took about 6 months before the stream crossed $500 per month. Now, it fluctuates between $700 to $900 monthly, depending on traffic and seasonality. The best part? I don't create new content for it anymore. It just runs. Print on demand, the unexpected winner. This one surprised me. I didn't start print on demand thinking it would be big. I treated it like an experiment. Instead of trendy slogans or viral designs, I focused on hyper-specific audiences, niches most people ignore. Think professions, hobbies, inside jokes only a small group understands. I uploaded designs slowly, tested ideas, killed what didn't work. Most designs made nothing. A few made a little. And then one design took off, not viral but consistent. Over time, I built a small catalog of winners. And now print on demand quietly brings in around $500 to $700 per month. Not life-changing, but hands-off. And that's the point. Investment-backed cash flow, the boring backbone. The 4th stream isn't sexy, but it's the most reliable. This includes a mix of dividend-paying assets, interest-generating accounts, and long-term holdings designed for cash flow. No day trading, no gambling, no watching charts all day. I reinvested early profits from the other streams into this one, slowly, consistently. Right now, this stream contributes $300 to $400 per month, and it grows automatically. This is the income that shows up even when everything else slows down. The real secret, why this actually worked. Here's what no one tells you. Passive income doesn't work when you chase money. It works when you build systems. Every stream I built followed the same rule. Do the work once, improve it slowly, let time do the rest. None of these made money fast, but together, they compound. That's how 4 small streams became $3,000 per month. Not overnight, not effortlessly, but sustainably. This is the part that matters most. You don't need 10 income streams. You don't need to quit your job. You don't need to be an expert. You need one thing that works and the patience to let it grow. Most people quit right before momentum starts. I didn't, and that made all the difference. How long each stream took to actually pay off. This is the part most videos skip, the timeline, because passive income sounds sexy until you realize how long it actually takes. Let me be very clear. Stream number 1, digital products, month 1, $84, month 3, $210, month 6, $480, month 12, $900 plus consistently. It took a full year before this felt real. Before that, it felt pointless. Stream number 2, affiliate income. This one was brutal at first. For months, nothing happened. First 4 months, basically 0 month 6, crossed $300, month 9, crossed $700. Year 2, stabilized near $900. Affiliate income is slow, but once it works, it's incredibly sticky. Stream number 3, print on demand. This was unpredictable. I uploaded dozens of designs that never sold. Then one design started selling daily. From that point, month 3, $120, month 6, $400, month 9, $600 plus. The key lesson? You don't need many winners, you need one. Stream number 4, investment cash flow. This took the longest emotionally because it's boring, but once it crossed $300 a month, it became the most calming income I had. The mistakes that almost killed everything. I didn't build this cleanly. I made mistakes that nearly wiped out progress. Mistake number 1, chasing new ideas too fast. Every time I saw someone online making money a better way, I wanted to jump. That slowed everything down. Once I committed to finishing instead of starting, income stabilized. Mistake number 2, trying to scale too early. I tried paid ads before anything was proven. I lost money. A lot of it. Nothing scales if it doesn't already work organically. Mistake number 3, overworking instead of systemizing. I did too much manually at first. Once I automated delivery, emails, and tracking, things finally felt passive. How I protect these income streams. Here's something people never think about. Passive income is fragile if you don't protect it. So I did 3 things. 1, I diversified platforms. No stream depends on a single website, tool, or algorithm. If one goes down, the others survive. 2, I reinvest consistently. Every month, a portion of profits goes back into better tools, better hosting, better infrastructure. This keeps everything alive long-term. 3, I track only what matters. I stopped obsessing over daily numbers. Monthly averages matter. Trends matter. Noise doesn't. Why $3,000 per month is the sweet spot. People always ask, why stop at $3,000? Because this amount changed everything. It covered rent increases, emergencies, savings, stress. It turned my job into a choice, not a trap. Could I push it higher? Yes, but passive income isn't about greed, it's about freedom. What I'd do if I was starting from zero today. If I had to start again in 2025, I'd do this. Pick one skill or interest. Build one digital product. Add one affiliate tool I already use. Reinvest profits into stable cash flow assets. Ignore everything else. No shortcuts, no viral chasing, just systems. That's it. This is what passive income really is. Passive income isn't about doing nothing. It's about doing the right work once. Most people fail because they quit too early. Not because the system doesn't work, but because patience does. I didn't build this fast. I built it correctly. And that's why it still pays me every single month. The biggest shift wasn't financial, it was mental. Knowing that money would still come in whether I worked that day or not completely changed how I made decisions. I stopped chasing urgency and started thinking long-term. I became more selective with opportunities, more patient with growth, and far less reactive to setbacks. Passive income didn't make life perfect, it made life stable. And the truth is, anyone can build something like this, but not everyone will. Not because it's too complex, but because it requires consistency when there's no reward in sight. The gap between earning nothing and earning something is the hardest part. Once that gap is crossed, momentum does the rest. The systems don't need to be massive. They just need time to compound. If this breakdown helped you see passive income more realistically, like the video, comment which income stream you want to try first. Subscribe for more real, no hype breakdowns on money systems and long-term income. Your support helps this channel stay honest and helpful.